Just so you know, this is ripping me apart too, I am the one who is hurting the most in this scenario.
Hold on, honey. Allow me to get comfortable so you can make this all about you. Now I'm seated and comfortable. Continue.
Michelle, I don't want to do this anymore.
What exactly? Presenting yourself like a narcissist?
Fight with you, Michelle. I don't want to fight with you anymore. At what point are we going to realize that we have both wronged each other and we have to make peace for the sake of our daughter?
Your daughter? You're willing to accept her as your daughter?
Accept her. She's always going to be my daughter, Michelle. Always. And I think the most important thing right now is for her to see peace between us. That is what matters to me. And I'm sure that's what matters to you too, right?
I agree.
This is where we put our differences aside and become one for her.
Marcus, what about
Carlton?
she is his biological daughter?
That just makes him a sperm donor. And me our father.
Thank you.
Thank me. For what?
For giving me the glimpse of the old you. The one that I fell in love with many years ago. Smart and sophisticated Marcus that I know wasn't tainted by politics.
And he's still here. Can you promise me something?
What's that?
That we genuinely try one more time to go back to that place where we were good with each other.
Who is it? 1 second. Who is it?
Who is it? I hope it's not one of those media whore,
No, it's no one. I think something fell outside. I'll call you back.
Alright. Talk soon.
Yeah.
We are family. I'm home.
What do you mean you're home?